paano ba mag-solve ng problems gamit ang fundamental principle of counting? First, ano ba yung fundamental principle of counting? Okay. By definition, if one event can occur in m different ways and a second event can occur in n different ways, then the number of ways both can occur is m times n ways. So ano bang ibig sabihin nito? For example, meron tayong dalawang shorts and dalawang t-shirts. So ilang combinations or outfit yung magagawa natin mula dito. Okay? So yung isang short natin, pwede natin siyang ipares sa dalawang t-shirt. Now, kung bibilangin natin to, meron tayong total of 4 na pairs. So mapapansin natin, minultiply lang yung number of short and t-shirt. So 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Okay. Next example. Halimbawa kung 3 naman yung t-shirt. So bawat short na natin is meron ng 3 t-shirt na pwedeng ipares. So kung bibilangin natin to, meron tayong 6 pairs. So same lang din, minultiply lang din natin yung number of shorts sa t-shirt. So 2 times 3 is equals to 6. So yun yung ibig sabihin ng definition ng fundamental principle of counting. So halimbawa meron tayong 20 shorts and 30 t-shirts. So yung number of combinations na magagawa natin dito is simply multiply lang natin yung number of shorts sa number of t-shirts. So 20 times 30, meron tayong 600 pairs na combinations mula dito sa 20 shorts and 30 t-shirts. So okay, i-apply natin ngayon to sa mga problem. For number 1, if there are 3 roads from town A to town B and 4 roads from town B to town C, in how many ways can one go from town A to town C and back to town A through town B without passing through the same road twice? So meron daw 3 towns, si A, B, and C. Now, from A to B, merong 3 roads. From B to C naman, merong 4 roads. So, kung pupunta raw tayo ng C galing ng A and required na dumaan kay B, so how many ways pwedeng gawin yun? Okay? So, kung makikita natin, from A to C then back, nadadaan ng B, meron tayong 4 na road na madadaanan. Yung from A to B, from B to C, then pabalik from C to B, then lastly from B to A. So now bibilangin natin kung ilang ways natin to pwedeng gawin. So from A to B, dahil meron tayong 3 roads na available, meron tayong 3 ways para dito from A to B. So from B to C naman, meron tayong 4 roads kasi merong 4 ways kasi merong 4 roads na available from B to C. Now, from C to B, meron na lang tayong 3 ways dito kasi nakalagay dito sa problem without passing through the same road twice. Ibig sabihin, yung dinaanan natin from B to C, hindi na natin pwedeng daanan pabalik. So, instead of 4 choices, meron na lang tayong 3 available na choices, 3 roads. So, 3 ways na lang. Same din from B to A, 2 ways na lang dahil hindi na natin pwedeng gamitin yung road na dinaanan natin from A to B. Okay? Then, by principle of counting, multiply lang natin tong 4. 3 times 4 times 3 times 2 is equal to 720. So, yun yung number of possible ways. For number 2, 10 runners join a race. In how many possible ways can they be arranged as first, second, and third placers? So, meron daw tayong 10 runners. How many ways daw silang pwede arrange ng first, second, and third placers? First, gagawa muna tayo ng 3 blank spaces dito. So, nire-represent ito yung mga possible position ng mga runners. Ito yung first place, second place, and third place. So, sa first place natin, meron tayo ditong 10 choices kasi meron tayong 10 runners. So, pwedeng isa sa 10 ito yung maging first placer. Now, para sa second place naman, meron na lang tayong 9. Kasi, out of 10 runners, yung isa dito, nilagay na natin sa first place. So, minus 1, kaya 9 na lang. Yung 10 choices natin, minus pang first place. So, 9 na lang. Sa third place naman, 8 na lang siya. Kasi, meron na tayong first place and second place. So, nabawasan na ng dalawa yung choices natin. So, 10 minus yung first place and second place. So, 10 minus 2, kaya 8 na lang. Then, by principle of counting, multiply lang natin yung tatlo. Then, yun na. Equals to 720 ways. So, meron tayong 720 possible ways para ma-arrange natin yung 10 runners and first, second, and third place. So, yun na yun. For number 3, if repetition is not allowed, how many 3-digit numbers less than 400 can be formed from digits 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 9? Okay, gagawa daw tayo ng 3-digit numbers less than 400. Ito yung mga example nun, 2, 3, 5, 2, 5, 6, 2, 6, 7, 3, 5, 6, 2, 7, 9. So, wala tayong nirepeat na mga digit kasi repetition is not allowed. And all numbers dito is less than 400. So now, gagawa tayo ng 3 blank spaces para sa 3-digit number natin. So ito yung mga position ng mga digit. Yung hundreds, tens, and units or ones digit. So para sa hundreds digit natin, meron lang tayong dalawang choices dito. Either 2 or 3 lang. Kasi less than 400, hindi tayo pwede maglagay ng 5, 6, 7, and 9. So, 2 ways lang. Ito yung mga halimbawa ng pag naglagay tayo ng 5, 6, 7, and 9. So, magiging more than 400 na siya. So, hindi siya pwede. For hundreds, tens digit naman, meron na lang tayong 5. Kasi, meron na tayong nilagay dito na isang digit. So, out of 6, meron na lang tayong 5. Okay? So, yung 6 minus 1, yung nilagay natin dito. Now, for the ones digit naman, meron na lang tayong 4. Kasi nabawasan na ng dalawa yung choices natin. Yung nilagay natin dito sa hundreds and tens digit. So, 6 minus 2, 4 na lang. Then, by principle of counting, multiply lang natin tong mga number of ways is equal to, so meron tayong 40 ways. Meron tayong 43-digit number na less than 400 na ma-formula dito sa mga digits. Okay, yun lang. Thanks for watching. Sana marami kayong natutunan.